In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your Instagram story, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to post a story on Instagram. Let's say I want to post this, but I also want to actually add some music to it. Now you're going to click on the third icon from the left, this one right here. Now, there's a bunch of options for stickers that you can add to your Instagram story, but I'm going to click on the search bar and type in music. As you can see, there is an option to add in music to your Instagram story. You can click on whichever song that you want to add, and let's say I want to add this one, and then you can scroll and choose which part of the song that you want to add to your Instagram story. That is all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.